I said many times he's involved in the game. My feeling before it was just waiting in, to score a goal against this quality. But now he's involved in the game, not just in the defensive part. His help is a lot, making absolutely all he can do in our process to create the chances. So that's why there's no complaints about what he has done after the injury from Gabriel Jesus.
Do you feel like his attitude has been good as well?
Always was good. Always was good. From the beginning. Always was good. I said many times he has no complaints. He just now maybe understand better what we're looking for, but he's trying. And that is what I want. After that, when he misses chances or misses things, of course, always we can improve, but it's not complaints.